the Esteam External Heatermate. The Esteam External Heatermate is a great option for those machines that do not have a heater. With a built-in convenient carrying handle, aluminum 1850 watt heating cord, and a single 15-foot power cord, it's just a matter of connecting your solution hose to the Esteam External Heatermate to begin cleaning with 200-degree heat. It's easy to set up the Heatermate. Connect the short black hose male quick connect to the water outlet. Connect the other end of the short black hose to the male side quick connect on the Esteam External Heatermate. Connect the solution hose to the female end of the Esteem External Heatermate. Connect the other end of the solution hose to either a carpet wand, hand tool, or hard surface tool. Plug in the Esteem External Heatermate into a separate 15 amp circuit other than what your portable machine is already plugged into. Switch your back motor buttons to the on position. Switch your solution pump button to the on position. Switch the toggle switch on the Esteem External Heatermate to the on position. Within 90 seconds, the water in the external heatermate will heat up to 200 degrees. The red light on the external heatermate will illuminate once the temperature has heated to its maximum temperature. The Esteem External Heatermate is now producing 200 degrees of heat. You are now ready to clean. Once the job has been completed, switch the toggle switch on the external heatermate to the off position. Disconnect your solution hose from your external heatermate and your wand or tool. Disconnect the short black hose from the external heatermate. Lastly, disconnect the short black solution hose from your portable machine and unplug the external heatermate. The Esteem External Heatermate.